Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Wednesday, May 5th, 2021. I was laughing. I was literally laughing right before I hit the record button over here. Why am I laughing? Well, we heard from Fed President Williams this morning, and this creature, again, I want you to sit down and take in what I'm about to tell you. This thing is trying to convince people that the Federal Reserve's epic bond buying program, he said, it is not causing imbalances in the financial markets. Let me explain this to you. By design, when a central bank gets in here and starts buying all the debt, it is meant to create an environment of risk, meaning it pushes investors into the stock market, therefore inflating asset bubbles. That's what it's designed to do. And right now, we are in the mother of all asset bubbles. In the history of the world, we've never seen anything like it. A monster Frankenstein debt bubble, okay, by the Federal Reserve buying all the debt, which has inflated a stock market bubble, reinflated an epic housing bubble. It's incredible, but you can't make this stuff up. So now we have a Fed president here, Williams, saying, no. The Federal Reserve's bond buying program is not causing distortions in the market. Duh! People, honestly. Anyway, on the back of that, what's happening here in the market, it's very interesting. You got the 10-year yield absolutely perfectly stable, just where it's supposed to be in this twisted environment. You got a dollar that is flat. You got crude oil getting bid higher yet again, and stock futures higher across the board. How lovely is that, isn't it? Anyway, it's an epic thing. Let me check something while I got you here, because I forgot to look at it this morning. Anyway, look at the setup here. It's just perfect for us, being that you and I are on the right side of this. We got gold and silver right now basically flat. Okay, lovely. We got cryptocurrencies here catching a very nice bid. Dash, my new favorite crypto that I've been telling you to buy since last week when it was 280, is now over 400. And it is going much higher, in my view. Anyway, look, I'm laughing. I'm laughing yet again. When I hear something like that, I can't even believe that people, Fed presidents, whatever these things are, okay, are floated out here to try to, sell a lie, propagate a lie. I don't know what it is. Honestly, it's out of freaking control. And then again, it's everywhere. Turn on the mainstream channels. Everyone's talking about inflation. But now the narrative, again, is more so that it's transitory. It's magically gonna just go away. How do they figure that? That's another thing that really gets under my skin. You're not allowed to know the current situation, what's being done to you and to the world deliberately. How central banks are on a mission, to create inflation. That's what they're doing by this revolving door mechanism that is completely rigged against the people. They want to devalue. Look, we all know this. Globally, there is a race to the bottom with regard to currencies. We are in a worldwide currency crisis. We've been in this crisis for quite a long time. And this is the main reason why central banks continue to do what they're doing. Running this inflation machine. That's what they're doing. It's an inflation machine, this revolving door mechanism. Issuing debt through one door, buying debt through another door. Going back to what Fed President Williams just said, the bond buying program is not creating distortions, or whatever the hell word he used. You can't make it up. But this is what it's designed to do. Suppressed rates by design create an environment of risk. Henceforth, why you got a stock market here that seems relentless and keeps going up, 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 up. It's what it's designed to do. But you see, you're not being allowed to know this. People, I know you get it, but people are not being told that when a central bank, any central bank, okay, we'll stick to the Fed because that's our central bank here in the United States, but they're all doing the same thing in concert. When a central bank decides to say, hey, we're going to keep rates suppressed, it deliberately creates an environment of risk. Imagine if, for example, CNBC today would have, I don't know, a real commentator come out and say, hey, everyone, you're not supposed to know this, but when a central bank gets in here and starts buying all the debt, artificially suppressing rates, devaluing the currency, it creates an environment of risk. Imagine if they said this. Okay, I don't know what the effect on the market would be. Maybe it would go higher. It probably would here. And I think market participants, at least those who know the game, are buying the stock market because it's the gift that keeps on giving. Not only that, this environment creates, again, what I always tell you, opportunity. Again, if we know the mechanism, the inflation machine, the inflationary mechanism, this revolving door, what does it mean for us? Okay, we're going to bet against the debt, become our own central bank, hold cryptocurrencies, get into the market, trade this market. I mean, like I said yesterday, if you can't make money in this market today, okay, there's something wrong. It's a money-making machine because of the deliberately engineered environment by central banks around the world. And again, following the plan that you and I have followed for a very, very long time, that means acquiring precious metals, holding cryptocurrencies, buying them. I do not trade these things. Let me go to that real quick. So this morning I checked my email box. Oh, Greg, thank you. I made money on Dash, and it looks like a lot of you got in when I did, and now you're selling it at a profit. Good for you. This is not what I'm doing. I will continue to buy more. Okay, with regard to Dash, I'm in my early phases of buying it. I will continue to add to that position. I am hoping at this point to see Dash pull back a little bit. I mean, a run from 280 last week to over 400 right now, that's pretty big. I want to see a pullback, and I'm going to buy on that dip too. Look, I am a buy the dip guy in this environment. All of us look for opportunities. If they want to hit precious metals, we're going to buy that. If they're going to hit Dash or another cryptocurrency, we're going to buy that too. If the stock market, we got warnings from Bank of America twice that the market's going to fall. The market's going to fall. Good. Let a correction come, and what will I do? I will be buying that dip. You understand? People, we're not going to lose. There is no way possible that we can be beaten in this environment. We got it absolutely covered from every possible angle. Like I always say to you, let the freak show play their game. We know what they're going to do before they do it, so we can play the same game but better, and we're going to beat them at their own game. I love it. I'm telling you, this to me is a game. So I sit here in front of my computer screen and I just laugh like I started off this morning. I'm laughing at what this freak Williams is saying. It's okay. The Fed's buying all the bonds, but it doesn't matter. It's not affecting the market. Duh. Anyway, look, love you a lot. I think you get the picture. Please share the video. Get it out there before I lose my freaking mind. I'll see you at the end of the day.